Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My elders, brothers and sisters and children of MKSI Leicester, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now I always start, when the month of Ramzan starts, I always start thinking about what am I going to say on this day, and to reflect and ponder and really understand what's happened over the last 30 days. And I can say that we've all been servants of God in this month. We've all served in different ways, served Allah in terms of fasting, praying, feeding each other. And on that note, I would like to say congratulations to everybody and Eid Mubarak on that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of our amals and our hard work throughout the 30 days, and may He give us this opportunity once again, inshallah. Ameen. Okay, in terms of our community, Leicester Jamaat, alhamdulillah, we have, I think over the last 30 days, provided a service to all of you, and it's been an absolute privilege to do that to you all. It's been a balanced approach this year to ensure that our team and volunteers are not overtired. Our cooks, they get an opportunity to rest as well. But not only that, your members as well, right? It's all about having that ummatan wasatan, as they say, a balanced approach. The variety of programs, and I'm just going to say a few of them. We've had a variety of lecturers this year, the Quran Khani, Duas, Marsiya, Noha, Qasida, 20 plus LA programs, 80 children plus have participated. We had a fruits in the Holy Quran seminar. We did 12 iftars. We did a barbecue as well. And I know the team have worked really hard to ensure that you get them burgers and chicken and all sorts on time. Alhamdulillah, we managed to do that. We also had 3 Seri nights, 2 Q&A sessions, a debate night, LSE Chandrat, a table tennis competition as well. There was kids football that was organized by Sharikatul Husayn workshop. We had a Bailul girls and boys program and a podcast. So alhamdulillah, I think, overall, we've delivered a good Ramzan. Salawat. And one of the things we always get nervous about is the budget. And last year we had a budget of £27,000 and we managed to hit that budget on the 23rd night of Ramadan. This year, alhamdulillah, it went up by 6,000 due to inflation and other costs to 33,000, so by £6,000. And alhamdulillah, we actually hit that budget on the 21st night of Ramzan. Salawat. And what that does to me is it always baffles me whenever I think about this, that how do we actually, and it's your generosity, it's your commitment to ensuring that these programs happen that we want to and we deliver to you. Okay, next on my agenda is I wanted to say thank you. Thank you. And there are lots of people I want to thank, and I'll try and get through them as quickly as possible. Number 1 are the speakers, right? Actually, that's number 2, but we'll start with them. Sheikh Ali Abbas Malik, and welcome once more. Brother Husayn Abdullah for his lecture. Sayyid Amar Naqswani during his Q&A session. Sheikh Muhammad Ali, I think he became very popular with all of us during his time here. Sheikh Yusuf Derani, and finally Dr. Ali Raza Bojani. So Jazakallah to all of you, those who are listening online, and we'll share the Maulanas that are not here today, but those who are, Jazakallah khair. To the community, and ultimately it boils down to all of you lot. Without you, your support is never going to be a successful 30 days or whatever it is, right? And I'd like to thank all of you, each and every one of you, for your support, for your commitment, whichever way you've helped us, whichever way you've been, just going with the programs that they set. We set the programs, but you are the ones who follow them programs, so appreciate that. To the volunteers as well, who've worked tirelessly over the last 30 days. Without the volunteers, it can never be as successful as well. Outstanding, I think one of them is the car parking team. We just don't appreciate, whilst we're doing our miles on the nights of Qadr, whilst we're chilling in this warm place, they're standing there outside. And the simile that I've got is, you know, on the day of Karbala, when Imam Husayn was praying namaz, and there were people defending Imam Husayn to pray the namaz, and those who were taking the arrows, whilst Imam Husayn was able to, you know, pray his namaz. And I feel that the car parking attendants, headed by Brother Abbas Parpia and the rest of them, you know, they do a fantastic job. You know, if there's a dua for anybody, it is for sure for you lot. Brother Ashik Parpia, I would have expected an Nara Salwat on that one. So Brother Ashik Parpia, he's, you know, by far, arguably one of the best caretakers, chief of operations is what I call, you know, we've had in Leicester Jamaat. Although 45 years ago I wasn't here, but arguably, that's why I say arguably. To the cooks as well, so I know Fatima Auntie Zaidi, if you're here, she cooked 10 out of the 12 iftaris. You know, that's a mashallah, that's a congratulations to her as well, and a jazakallah. Brother Imran Jafri for covering the Quran Khani after Sheikh Ali Abbas Malik went to America to recite his second half of Ramzan. And it would be unjust, right? We might not get another opportunity like this, or we might do, but it would be unjust, especially with the quorum that we get. We're never going to get this much of a crowd. I would like to thank my team as well, yeah? Starting with Brother Zain Jafar, Brother Anis Rajani, Brother Qasim Rajani, Brother Muhammad Walji, I'll stop saying brothers now, Husayn Merchant, Kumail Dirani, Imran Maulidina, Minas Qasim, and finally my Vice President, Brother Arif Qasim. I'm just going to give you a very quick, and you know, I know time's of an essence, we're all hungry. Actually, we're not hungry, are we? So I want to give you a project update. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we've had a few prerequisites that we're working through. Warranties, contracts, solicitors' guidance, there's health and safety. And Alhamdulillah, we had a catch-up with the trustees last Friday. They are comfortable with that, which gives us confidence. We're going to be working through them, and I'm hoping, inshallah, you know, we will come out with we will be there. There will be a date soon, inshallah, to start the construction. And inshallah, once we know, we will 100% let you know. So there's Team 313, like I said. So alhamdulillah, it's been successful so far. We haven't received £313,000 yet. I wish I could have said that today. But we have received £43,000 since we started this campaign. In total of 29 names, okay? And these are, I'm going to just read them out to you guys. And please do continue to, I know once the construction starts, look, we've got £270,000 balance from a 675, which is a cost of construction. So we're in a good position, even without starting construction. I'm hoping that, inshallah, you know, once construction starts, the big numbers will come in and we'll get to that target, inshallah. So, and please recite loud salawat at the end of this, yeah? So, Aman Sadiq, Fatima Jafar, Rizwan Sadiq, Alina Sadiq, Alisa Sadiq, Fatima Nanji, Hassan Nanji, Abbas Nanji, Zainab Nanji, Zain Ali Jeraj, Aliza Jeraj, Zamin Abbas Jeraj, Shiraz and Fatim Mauji, Imran Zainab Hadi Abbas and Fatima Jafar, Sakina and Ali, Fatima Zahra Mauji, Ali Aibak Khwaja, Sheikh Yusuf Dirani, Zaida Imran Maulidina, Minaz Bashir Qasim, Musarat Walji, Arif Bashir Qasim, Nurdin Vanat, Abdul Dirani, Dr. Asghar Bojani, Samir Barkat Ali Rajani, Husayn Merchant, and finally Munawar Badami. Bar Muhammad Imal Muhammad Salwat. And we talk about the 313, don't we, all the time? This is our opportunity for that 313. If we can't be part of this, and the amount is not the be all and end all. You can give £1, but the objective is to be part of that 313, yeah, the one that we talk about when the Imam Mahdi will come, inshallah. Muhammad Muhammad Salwat. So just a few more. Okay, so the next one is, of course, Brother Ashik Barpia leaving, right? That's hit most of us. I know it's killed our soul, right? Arguably one of the best caretaker, chief of operations we've ever had. You know, for us as a team, you know, we go by cars, and I've probably said this before, he is 100% a Range Rover Vogue autobiography, which is it's a signature Range Rover car. His work, I think Murtaza uncle covered it to a certain extent yesterday. I can't even say anything around that. What I want to do is I do want to present a gift on behalf of the community, on behalf of us all. Can I ask Brother Ashipapia to come to this Mehrab actually to collect his gift? But Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad Salawat. Can I ask somebody to take a memorial picture here, please? Salawat. So the gift we've got him, it's Creed Aventus. So he's going to a hot country, and I'm sure that's going to come in handy for him. Not only that, we've also got him a cake, but he can do whatever he wants with the cake. So finally, okay, this is my final speech as a community leader, right? Our terms come into an end at the end of May, inshallah. It's been an absolute honor, I kid you not, a privilege to have served all of you over the last 2 years as a president and also 2 years as a secretary. You know, the humbling part for me is that Allah has given me the opportunity to serve His house and serve you all, serve the Ahlul Bayt. You know, and I think I'm going to let the cat out of the bag. I'm the first Leicester-born president. So, alhamdulillah, a massive privilege. But Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad Salawat. Do have it in your hearts. I know we're not perfect, none of us are. I certainly am not. I am very object delivery focused. So if I've hurt anybody's feelings, the intentions were never that. So do please dig deep into your heart and forgive us for that. Inshallah, I think we'll be fine, but just in case, if I have, sincerely apologies, never been the intention to hurt anybody. I do want to give a special thanks to LSC. You know, they extended their term by 12 months, 15 months actually. Their term was finishing February 2022, and they're going to finish with us, inshallah, with a little bit of convincing, a little bit of giving presents as well to the chair lady. But special thanks to her as well. She served for 2 years as a vice chair lady, and 3 years as a chair lady. So special thanks to her and the whole team. Next steps, all right, so LSE elections, we're looking at 14th of May, 2023, inshallah. And there'll be an extraordinary general meeting for the accounts, 14th of May, after the LSE elections. AGM, and that will be constitution alignment and AGM elections. Inshallah, the date is, provisionally, is 28th of May, 2023. Finally, I do pray from the bottom of my heart, please do all raise your hands on this day of Eid for the success of our beloved community, Bihaqqe Babul Owaij alayhi salam. Ameen. Al-Fatiha, please recite Al-Fatiha for all those who were with us last year and who are not with us. I can say a few names, but I don't want to forget anybody. So can I ask everybody to recite a Surah Fatiha? Before that, your honorable, your most sincere, from your heart, Bar Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad Salawat. Sorry, Mullah Sahib, services of? And of course, the head of Tabut, who is, has taken a step down. We do thank him as well. Wa Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.